Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be getting ready for planting. This morning we're going to be putting fuel injectors into the 7130 because they're just getting old, and you have to replace the fuel injectors kind of depending on the tractor, but you need to replace them. It kind of depends on the tractor, like I said, but it's been a while since we've replaced them on the 7130, so we're going to go replace the injectors and work on a brake line because the brake line is leaking, and then I'm not sure what else we're going to do. So yeah, we're just getting ready for planting. Alright guys, this afternoon we got out the planter and now we're just gonna go get it ready for planting. Gotta get it unfolded, and we're gonna have to put like these plates or discs and have little holes that the seed will fall into, and it kind of brings it around and drops it like down into a tube and onto the ground. It's kind of complicated for me to explain, but I'll just show you guys like around the planter, and yeah, we're just gonna go get the planter ready to plant. Pressing that button right there to engage the drive chains on the planter so Dad can wire brush them down and spray chain lube on them. Excuse me, will you please be quiet? I'm tired of listening to you beep all the time. Thank you. Alright, we got the planter worked on pretty good. We still have a few more things to do, but it was a pretty productive afternoon. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. It's Saturday morning and we're going to continue working on the planter. We just got a few more things to do. Got to finish spraying the graphite on the seed discs, and then I'm not sure what else there is to do, but I know there's a few more things to do before the planter is actually ready to plant. If you can't hear me very well, it's because it's windy, so I apologize if you can't hear me very well, but yeah, just going to go continue working on the planter. Before we start working on the planter, we're going to shuffle some seed bags and pallets around just to get them organized and ready to plant. Alrighty guys, so we are basically done working on the planter. It's Saturday evening, so we're not going to go plant. We probably could, but we're just not going to, since it's still only May 1st. But yeah, we should be ready to go next week, and I think it's supposed to be pretty good weather next week, so I think it's go time next week, but we'll just have to see. But this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe right down below, and if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.